Yeah, it's somewhat cooler today at 6.1 degrees right now, 5.1 overnight and 14.2 during the day. Well, yes, it's high pressure and it's sunny. Tiny amount of rain in there. We'll call that nothing. And a lot more work for Ali and John. They cleared all this just last Wednesday, so there's a whole lot more to be cleared up as the fall off the tree. And out here it was quite foggy this morning, a band of fog right across the back of the fields over there. So it's Sunday the 9th, is it, of November,